Welcome! Ayan, fresh na fresh from Reykjavik. Gano'ng katagal yung biniyahe natin from Reykjavik?
2 hours total na.
Mga a little less than 2 hours. Easy driving from Reykjavik to Hela. So, nandito na tayo ngayon. Bibigyan tayo ng room tour. Actually, hindi lang pala room. Mini house tour nitong aming space for the next 3 nights here at Hela Iceland. So, follow me. The first part is the bedroom. The bedroom, or actually hindi bedroom kasi wala namang room. It's one open space layout pero yung half or 1/3 of the space is yung sleeping area. So here in the sleeping area, you will see there is a queen size bed. Ayan. And opposite the queen size bed, isa siyang napakalaking floor to ceiling glass window wall. So, hopefully, fingers crossed, ay makakita tayo ng Northern Lights. But right now, as you can see, I don't know actually if you can see, but medyo gloomy and maulan ngayon dito. So, we'll see. And for some privacy, you have curtain. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng privacy. Okay. So, ikot tayo. Talaga umikot ako. Sa behind the bed, there is a 3-seater dining area or dining table. I think for 3 or even pang-apatan, okay lang siya. So, yan. Medyo may ample space. And then over here naman is the kitchen. So, it's a fully equipped kitchen with everything that you need. So, from the induction stovetop, there's an oven, there's also a dishwasher. Ayan. Pero syempre, mas mahugas tayo sa kamay. And then here, there is a slightly bigger than personal ref size na fridge. Oh, meron din palang coffee maker and bread toaster. And then over here is a really nice bathroom, toilet and bath. So, pasok. Nakakatuwa kanina nung una naming pasok. Sabi ko, parang may ibon. Yung pala, may speaker lang. And then heated flooring. So, na-appreciate ko yun. So, this is the shower space. And, and the sink. I think may one more bonus space here. Dalawa lang naman kami, me and my husband, but if you are a family, up top, makikita mo, there is an extra space for sleeping. So, yan. Parang mezzanine-ish. I think can be good for 2, no?
Mukhang kasha.
Mukhang kasha naman.
Huwag lang silang bumangon.
Huwag lang silang umihi in the middle of the night para hindi sila mauntog. And that's our home for the next 3 days. Hello! Ayan. Bago kami umalis ng bahay, ngayon medyo maganda-ganda yung weather. Kasi for the past few days, maulan siya and gloomy. And yan, medyo maganda yung weather. So sabi ko, papakita natin sa inyo yung around the house. So we'll walk you around this tiny house. So itong malaking part na to, garage to. I think it can fit 3. Pwede 3, no? Medyo malaki siya, yung garahe. Pwede pang 3. Okay. So, tara. Okay. So this is the property. I'll share namin dun sa description yung link sa Airbnb. But we found this property in Airbnb. nakita niyo na inside. Ngayon, we'll show you yung property around it. So here, may deck. Yung deck actually has a, a tub. May deck if you want to stay outside and rest here and enjoy the nature. Ito, pakita natin yung nature sa kabila. So, yung view ng bahay from the inside is actually a cliff. So here makikita mo ang lawak ng ano bang tawag dito? Kung ano mang land formation to. So pababa merong, it's like a stream or a very tiny river that goes from east to west. And sa baba may nakikita pa rin ako na mga vacation houses din over there. Sarap ng hangin. Okay. Oh, ganito pala yung itsura niya from the outside. Okay. So, ito yung view nung bed. So, the bed is facing the tong area na to sa labas. Yung nature effect. So, yan. Ayun yung nakikita mo, na yung, parang may nabasag. I guess yun yung papalitan. So while staying here, yung Airbnb owner, nagpaalam sa amin if yung carpenter nila pwedeng pumasok inside to check on something. So I guess part to nung nabasag. And I can actually see may mga bubog dito. So umulan daw a few days ago. Okay. So the other side naman, ito yung itsura niya. Ayun yung ano. Hi! So ang ganda na ng panahon ngayon, and hopefully makarami tayo ng lakad. So yung deck nga pala extends all the way here. So kung may mga extra kayong upuan, barbecue. Yun na siya. Okay? See you later.